Good morning, everyone. So, today I will try to explain the atomic models. So, we are talking about atomic models. Okay, so as I already explained in the first lecture, that we need atomic models to understand how the subatomic particles are arranged. Okay, the arrangement of the subatomic particles. Okay, which are the protons, electrons, and neutrons. Okay, the thing is that now we know that atoms are comprised of protons, electrons, and neutrons, right? But earlier, when the atomic models were given, the discovery of these subatomic particles were just beginning only. Okay, so the first model that came out was, Thomson's atomic model was the first model that came out, and it was given by Sir J.J. Thomson. It was the most simplified model. Okay, so according to this model, atom is a sphere in which the positive charge is uniformly distributed. Okay, it is uniformly distributed, and negative charged electrons are embedded in the positive core, positive sphere. Okay, not core, sorry, sphere. Also note that by this time electrons had already been discovered, okay, but not protons or neutrons. Then what is the case with this positive charge? Because atom is stable, okay, which means electrically neutral. So if electrons are discovered which have negative charge, it is obvious that equal amount of positive charge is also present to balance out the negative charge. So as per this model, positive and negative are balanced. The positive charge and the negative charge will be balanced. Okay, so this is the concept of the Thomson's atomic model, which was the first atomic model or the most simplified model. Now this model is also known as the Plum Pudding Model, okay, or the watermelon model. Why? Because this model resembles watermelon. Just like the red part of watermelon has seeds embedded in it, just like that, atoms are also comprised of positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded, just like seeds in a watermelon. You can compare the red part of the watermelon with the positive charge and the seeds with the negative charge. Similarly, the plum pudding model, because this model also resembles pudding in which plums are embedded, just like electrons embedded in the positive sphere. Okay, so this is the first model that came out. Now, the merits of this model is the explanation of stability. Okay, it could explain how atoms are stable or electrically neutral, because according to this model, positive and negative charge are balanced, right? That is why. However, it also had its own demerits, and the demerits arrived when the further experiments were conducted. Okay, the experiment conducted was the alpha particle scattering experiment, which is going to be the next topic of discussion. Okay, so when this particular experiment was conducted, okay, the results were not matching. The results of what? The results of this experiment were not matching with this model. So this model couldn't explain the results which were obtained by this experiment, and so it was concluded that this model is not valid. Okay, so the next topic that we are going to start in the next class or the next lecture will be the alpha particle scattering experiment. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lecture with me. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like, comment and share this video. So yes, meet you in the next video. For now, bye.